Welcome to Nourish Nation. Today, we're delving into how to stay fit without a gym membership. You don't need pricey equipment or fancy facilities to achieve your fitness goals. Let's explore practical and fun ways to get fit right from your home or neighborhood. First off, embrace the power of bodyweight exercises. From squats to push-ups, these workouts are versatile and effective. They require no equipment, targeting multiple muscle groups while improving strength and endurance. Create a routine combining these exercises to hit various muscle areas. Next, get outside and make the most of nature. Walking, jogging, or cycling around your neighborhood or local park can be transformative for your fitness and mental health. Enjoy the scenery, breathe the fresh air, and reconnect with the outdoors. Also, consider experimenting with home workout videos. With countless free resources on platforms like YouTube, you can find sessions ranging from yoga to HIIT workouts. Find styles that resonate with you and mix them into your weekly workout routine. Don't overlook the power of household items in your workout. Use stairs for cardio, bottles as weights, or even a chair for step-ups. Get creative and see everyday items as your new home gym equipment. Consistency is key. Schedule regular workout times just as you would with a gym class. Set clear goals and track your progress to maintain motivation and see tangible results. Finally, focus on your nutrition. Staying fit isn't just about exercise. Ensure you're consuming a balanced diet that supports your fitness journey, with plenty of whole foods, lean proteins, and hydration. Remember, fitness is a lifelong journey. While gym memberships can be helpful, they're not necessary to stay active and healthy. Find methods that fit your lifestyle and, most importantly, enjoy the process. So step out of your comfort zone, get creative, and embrace the freedom of working out on your terms. Thanks for watching Nourish Nation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tips on nourishing your body and soul.